Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix a dead PC. In my case I'm having the HP Pro Desk. It won't power on because we have issues in it. So this is what happens whenever I power on and nothing happens, and the screen here it's on. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put this aside and switch off the PC. Long press so that goes off. It has gone off. So you have to turn the CPU. The first thing you have to disconnect the power source. Then do you see this screw here? You unscrew it. Then keep it in a safe place so that you don't lose it. Then you slide the cover off. Then this is what we have here. So inside the PC, we see that we have battery. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix in the RAM. I'm going to fix in the RAM. And in this case, I created this error by removing the RAM. I'm going to fix in the RAM. So we don't have enough light, but we shall still continue. So after this, I want you to disconnect the hard drive also, so that we know what's bringing the problem on the computer. And I'm going to connect back the electricity. Then I'll click the power button. So the PC will start. And this has brought back our computer. And also you have to check if your motherboard battery has charge. So here now they're asking for us to put the hard disk because we disconnected it. So our troubleshooting is working. So I'm going to go back and switch off the computer and remove the cable. And connect back, and now